Hi, it's Angel Shaver, Stampin' Up Independent Demonstrator from Kansas. And today we are going to create another card using the Faith Collection stamp set. And today we are making a simple stamping card. So if you don't have anything other than stamps, ink, and paper, that's okay. You can create this card. Let's hope this just stays on the block. We're stamping Goddess Love right at the top of the page. And then we're going to try to do some coloring, ink coloring down here at the bottom. And again, you can pick up any ink you leave on your class mat. You can just pick it up and continue to use it. While we're stamping with the Petunia Pop, I'm going to stamp He Is Risen on the inside of the card. Okay. Now, while we're doing the inside, might as well do the palm branch with the old olive paper, or ink, I mean. And then we will go back and do our cross with the pecan pie. And there is our simple stamped card. I do, however, feel like it could benefit from a couple of embellishments. Okay. Grab about 3 of these, and they are 3 different sizes, so I'm not sure what all sizes I'm going to be using. I'm going to use 2 of the mediums and 1 of the littles. And there we have our simple stamping card for the day. with the antique pearls. It says, God is love, and you open it up, He is risen.